The Taihoyin extra-large rolling travel duffel bag is exceptionally versatile, making it ideal for travel, camping, and various outdoor activities. With dimensions of 30 inches by 14 inches by 12.5 inches and a weight of only 2.8 kilograms, this duffel bag offers an impressive capacity between 85 and 100 liters. One of its standout features is its foldable design, allowing it to be compactly stored when not in use, while still providing ample space when expanded. Constructed from high-density 900D fabric, the bag promises durability and resilience, with wheels designed to handle different terrains smoothly. It includes an 8-compartment design with a wet and dry top pocket, oversized shoe compartment, and quick-access side pockets, ensuring efficient organization for any trip. The water-resistant fabric and robust construction make it a reliable choice for both business trips and gym sessions, offering great value for avid travelers.